what's going on. I'm gonna just have a quick look at this starter. I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing installed in the truck and see how this thing works. So up underneath the truck here, actually already got the starter pretty much out. It's just basically sitting there. Had 3 bolts in it here. They were all 17 millimeter, and then right here the nut on this wire was also a 17 millimeter. Then of course you just got your small wire here to take off. We've got everything off. We're gonna go ahead and pull this off. We're gonna get the new one up here and see what's up. All right, so here's the new starter sitting next to the old one, just to give you a size comparison here as to what the differences look like. This is a late 99 F350 with a 7.3 that I'm working on, and we're gonna go ahead and get this thing in there and see how it works. All right, so got the starter up in here, and this right here where you would probably need to do a little bit of modifying is just might have to take a little bit off of this cross member to make this thing fit. This is what everybody keeps talking about here. We got this thing up in here, got it bolted up. This is actually kind of what I ended up doing over here on this end to kind of get that straightened out where it was going to rub there. I probably went a little bit further than I needed to, but I just wanted to make sure that nothing was going to be rubbing there or hitting anything. So yeah, that's pretty much what you got to do there. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up and see what it sounds like. All right, we're in the truck. We're going to go ahead and fire this thing up, see how fast this starter turns over. Wow. This starter turns over very fast, way faster than the original. I'm really happy with that. It's like a completely different truck. I don't know if the video will do it justice or not, but this thing turns over extremely fast. Yeah, truck fires right up. I've never had my 7.3 fire up that quick. I'm really happy. Wow, that's pretty nice. I would say for the minor modification that you might have to make down there to make this starter fit, I think this starter would be well worth it. Pretty happy with the starter.